Welcome back to another video. I have come to a new place for invitation purpose, and I have come here with my family also, and it is little bit far from my house. You are seeing that this is a new road. This road is being constructed, and also it was repairing right now. And this road, where is it located, everything I'm not going to share, just share the surroundings. There is no house, there is no any people here, there is no any sounds without nature sounds. And both side, my right side is a field and my left side is a river. It's very big river from his weight and something more. And you are also seeing that it is very near, and it is very one kind of peaceful. And this type of route is a huge and plenty of route in across our country Bangladesh. Wherever you go you will see this, and what places you are going, it doesn't matter, everywhere you will see this type of route. I like this route most in my life. But this route is very important. This route connects the both important business market, and every time, every moment, rickshaw, honja and different kind of vehicles goes and comes and use this route 24 hours. If you really want to go to our capital, you have to use this route. It's very important route, and this has been using this route for the next more than 20 years or more time. But this route was one kind of broken, and for this reason it is repairing, because most important. And from here at least you need to walk 5 minutes. And there is also a very big bridge is being built by it is being for the last 2 years, because it is very large building. Although at the beginning of our conversation of our English video I mentioned to you that this my left side there is a river, and this river is absolutely very large, especially its weight. Okay, and right now it's a clean, and just you do not hear any sound except me also. And sometimes, especially this route is famous for rickshaw, because very large, especially bus, this type of large vehicles, it is very rare to see, because rickshaw and auto is popular this area. And something more this, by the way, this video I just showed the important and capital and most important vehicles tree, and just important the river, and the most important route where there is no house. Do you like this type of place? If you really like, I will make more video in this place, on this type of place. Goodbye for now.